Take time. Left hand. ऐसे करना है, लेफ्ट साइड घूमना है, दोनों हाथ एक हाथ ऐसे रहेगा, राइट साइड, ये हाथ का इधर साइड चल रहा है, अप से डाउन जा रहा है, इस रोटेशन एक टाइम करना है, इधर देखो, स्ट्रेचिंग हैंड्स, हैंड स्ट्रेचिंग पूरा नहीं और अलग है, टेन टाइम, इस साइड लेफ्ट हैंड 10 टाइम, राइट हैंड 10 टाइम, कमर, बैक साइड, सब बोलते हैं, ठीक है बेटे, ठीक है, लेग बेंड, फ्रंट साइड, माइंड की स्प्रिंग, देखो लेग बेंड,
सबका विश्वास हो संघ Today's film presented by Aditya Jain.
India is my country. Origins are my brother and sister. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all others respect and being and prosperity alone lies my happiness.
Here to present the thought. My thought is push harder than yesterday if you want better to work. I repeat my thought. Push harder than yesterday if you want better to work. Thank you and have a nice day.
Today's film presented by Tamanna Khan.
सुप्रभात। आज के समाचार में जवाहर नवोदय विद्यालय अमरोली वलसाड के प्रातःकालीन सभा में ऑनलाइन पैनल इंस्पेक्शन हेतु उपस्थित पैनल कमेटी के सभी सदस्यों का मैं कुमारी नम्रता कालपक्षनानंद हार्दिक स्वागत करती हूँ। आज के मुख्य समाचार। भारत में कोरोना महामारी को देखते हुए 24 मार्च को जो लॉकडाउन शुरू हुआ था उसे अब धीरे कई चरणों में खोला जा रहा है ताकि आर्थिक महामारी लगाना पड़ा आपातकाल। अब कुछ विदेशी सामयिक। अमेरिकी राष्ट्रपति डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने भारत पर लगाया आरोप नहीं लिए कोरोना वायरस पूरे
Who flew?
આ પુસ્તકના લેખક છે વજુભાઈ કોઠારી. આ પુસ્તકમાં જ્ઞાનરૂપમાં કુલ 84 પદ છે. ધન્યવાદ. તમારો દિવસ શુભ જાય.
Happy
Respected my senior colleagues and principals of JNV, Dan, Sri Rane sir, Sri Dokte sir, JNV Aravalli, Sanjay Kotadi sir, JNV Silvas, sir, Vice Principal, JNV Gondia, all my colleagues and my dear children, very good morning to all of you. It gives me immense pleasure and pride to address you all in this fine morning of this panel inspection day at JNV Valsad on October 1st, 2020. Being the, so that something we would able to get it connected with all our academic operations so that the regular activities of the Vidyalaya can be conducted very smoothly even facing the hurdles. Sir, it's my humble and simple duty to welcome Sri Ravi Kumar sir, our Honorable DC, NVS Pune, to join with us in this assembly of JNV Valsad sir. Welcome sir. Sri Ashok Sani sir, our cluster assistant commissioner, who is also guiding and leading us for the panel inspection activities. Sir, welcome you for JNV Valsad for our panel inspection, sir. Sri Rane sir, Principal, JNV Dan, welcome you, sir, in the panelist members team to inspect and guide and lead us for the activities of today's inspection schedule. Welcome, sir. Auspicious day of panel inspection at JNV Valsad. Because of the most unexpected disconnectivity of the network, we could not complete the process. Sir, please, I'm feeling very sorry for this technical deficiency. Allow me to continue the assembly. I take this very pleasurable moment to invite Principal JNV Aravalli Dr. Sir, who is with us now, all the other panel inspectors, as well as Ashok Sali Sir. Ashok Sali Sir is joining some other meeting. With the permission of Sir, Sir told to continue with us. It's my very pleasurable moment to once again invite you, JNV Principal Sri Dr. Sir. Welcome, please join with us for this panel inspection. Welcome once again, sir. Sri Ashok Sali sir, Assistant Commissioner, who is always with us behind the screen, on the screen, to lead and guide us, to promote all our, to appreciate and admire. So simply, please get it connected with all our scheduled activities today. Welcome, sir. Welcome to JNV Valsad family. To join with the everyday class. So this is our humble start. The principal and the staff faculty is donating 2 children of 10th class. So this is my pleasure to invite Kumari Anjali of 10th class to receive this mobile phone, so that it will be a great support to her to continue the classes. Anjali. Then one boy we have selected Vishnu of 10th class, who is also much interested in joining the class. So this lack of mobile phone should not be a problem for him. So we thought of a solution. We also extended our heart and hand to help him with a mobile phone. So I invite Vishnu from 10th class to receive the phone from the staff members of JNV Valsad. Begin this venture in the presence of our respected SDM Ketul sir. The first mobile, a PTC member, Srimati Unnati Bente, Rajesh Mayank Patel from the 8th class also has solely taken this good deed to donate a mobile phone to the most deserving child. One more phone has arrived today, sir. From Smith Chauhan from Pune, who is also a parent member. So with this, I hope in this COVID pandemic situation, this good heart and their hands will support and promote the most deserving children in JNV Valsad. So it is our heartiest thanks and gratitude we express on behalf of principal and all staff faculty members stakeholders, well-wishers, those who have extended their kind heart, generous hands to support our children in this COVID situation. As a token of appreciation and admiration to those who have taken this much effort to help our children, the JMB Valsad also has given an appreciation certificate to these parents so that their good deeds will be remembered forever by each member. I mean an admiration certificate to principal and staff, all staff faculty members who have extended their minds, their heart, their hands to this noble cause, so that we will also look forward this good effort from JMB Valsad, which is a very, very junior school, who don't have alumni or don't have NBN or don't have any other external resources to help our children. So I submit this good deed to the entire officers and all staff faculty members as well as the stakeholders, so that this good work will continue further. Thank you everyone. Thank you, Mama. I also request all the panel members, sir, in the inspection group as well as the individual WhatsApp number, the timetable, the self-appraisal, the inspector's form have already shared yesterday. Even their mobile, the in-charge mobile number is also shared. We are here all the time. So any problem, anything comes up, we are always there to help us. So sir told me immediately to start with the first reading. So 35 minutes we will have the duration. Let us start the academic panel discussion. Thank you. Thank you. My dear children, now let us start the learning process. Now today we are going to learn about the agriculture chapter. See, I have prepared some PPT for you, and then map is also shared in the screen. I hope that all of you will check up your mobile phone and keep in touch with me. Once the teaching is going on, you have also check up your mobile so that all the PPTs are coming into your mobile and you can perfectly visualize and coming along with the learning process. Okay, you check up, my dear children, whether you are having agri plus culture. That means cultivating the soil. Agri plus culture, cultivating the soil. A systematic way of cultivating the soil is called as the agriculture. So agriculture is a very, very primitive activity right from the river valley civilizations. So we must know that this agriculture, how it made man to settle in the river valley civilization. Because agriculture is a nature-based activity where man's attention is totally required for a long time. He should manage the soil properly and he should fertilize the soil properly. He should take care of the cultivation of this crop and he should weed the unnecessary plants in it. So throughout the agriculture process needs man's attention totally. So this aspect made man, who was a roamer or roaming in wild jungles near the river valleys throughout the different places, made him to settle near the river valleys. So here you must come across with a reference point that you have studied which are all the 4 great river valley civilizations in the world. So Indus Valley civilization, which has started here, okay, if that was the beginning, now let us study about how this agriculture has developed. Meanwhile, how he changed his agricultural practices as per his science and technology and the development of many technical factors. Okay, are you following me? I hope that, are you following me? I hope that you have now picked up what is meant by agriculture, the definition of term, as well as how does the river valley civilization has origined, what is the attraction, how much agriculture has been very important, which made the man to settle near the river valleys. Okay, you are making note, put to the date, it will be checked up, write the notes, write the heading, define what is meant by agriculture, why did the agriculture valley civilization has started very early near the river banks. Okay, now come to the
સચ્ચિદાનંદ. તો સ્વામી સચ્ચિદાનંદ એ આધ્યાત્મિક સ્વામી હતા અને સ્વામી તમે જો કે એમનો જન્મ 22 એપ્રિલ 1932 માં થયો હતો. બધા ધર્મના લોકો ત્યાં આગળ આવી એમના આશ્રમમાં રહે છે. એમણે કોઈ એવું કામ નહોતું કર્યું. સમાજને કેવી રીતે ઉપયોગી થવું, સમાજને કેવી રીતે મદદરૂપ થવું, એવા એમણે કાર્યો કર્યા હતા. તમે જો કે વખતે ગરીબ જે લોકો છે, જે દલિત પિછડાવર્ગ છે, એમના માટે તો ઘણા બધા કામ કરેલા સ્વામી સચ્ચિદાનંદે. તમે જો સ્વામી હરીશ સ્વામી તાલુકા
देखिए बेटा, ये ओरिजिनल हिटलर की फोटो है और उसके हाथ में देखिए क्या है, उसके हाथ में स्वस्तिक चिन्ह है, यानी 89 में ऑस्ट्रिया में हुआ. ऑस्ट्रिया तो देखिए कि हिटलर का जो जन्म है ऑस्ट्रिया में 89 में हुआ, तो ये बहुत ही गरीब परिवार में इसका जन्म हुआ. यानी हम ऐसे कह सकते थे कि इतना गरीबी में उसका जीवन गया कि उसको एक टाइम की रोटी भी
मदद के लिए हाथ बढ़ाओ, माने साथ दो. ओके, एक अकेला थक जाएगा, मिलकर बोझ उठाना. अगर कोई व्यक्ति अकेला काम करता है तो वो जल्दी थक जाएगा ना. मान लो रास्ते में बहुत सारे पत्थर है, उसको उठाना है, अकेला उठाएगा तो बहुत देर भी लगेगी और थक भी जाएगा. वही काम, पत्थर उठाने का काम अगर ग्रुप में, समूह में सब मिलकर करे तो 5 मिनट में होगा और सबको थकान भी नहीं होगी. तो यही कहने का उद्देश्य कि हे दोस्तों, हाथ बढ़ाओ, मदद के लिए आगे आओ, जिससे एक व्यक्ति का बोझ कम हो. ओके बेटा, समझा? पहले लाइन का, हम मेहनत वालों ने जब भी मिलकर कदम बढ़ाया, हम मेहनत.
So viewed in the southern Italy during the 6th century BC, considered the first two mathematicians used the mathematics as a means of understand and the nature world. So first is that the earth was a sphere that used to verify the Pythagoras theorem. So for this, student should know about
जैसे कि मैंने आपको पहले पढ़ाया है कि संगीत में लगने वाले मुख्य स्वर कितने हैं? 7. कितने बच्चों? मुझे जवाब दीजिए. हेलो, 7. कौन से बेटा, कौन से बताइए. मेरी आवाज पहुंच रही है आपकी तरफ, मुझे आंसर करिए. 7 स्वर कौन से बेटा?
क्या कभी उसको डिसैटिस्फाइड नहीं था मैंने कि आज मुझे ज्यादा कम मिला है कम मिला है? human beings, human life is full of doing wrong things.
ये तीनों पार्ट स्टिग्मा, स्टाइल एंड ओवरी, स्टिग्मा, स्टाइल एंड ओवरी totally called as pistil. Female part of the flower, what is known as pistil. P-I-S-T-I-L, pistil. Female part of the flower. Okay? अब ये पार्ट्स के नाम ध्यान में रहेंगे बच्चों? पार्ट्स के नाम ध्यान में रहेंगे बच्चों? What are the parts of the pistil? Pistil के तीनों पार्ट्स के नाम बताओ. हाँ, करेक्ट. ऐसे सीक्वेंसली बोलेगा प्लीज. आयुष, दिव्या कुमार दत्ता, दिव्या कुमार दत्ता, tell me the parts of pistil. Yes, yes, yes. Stigma, style and ovary. मीशा, मीशा बोलो बेटा, मीशा बोलो तो, मीशा करेक्ट बोलेगी. मीशा बोलो बेटा. Correct. Stigma, style and ovary is the correct answer, and these are the female parts of the flower, totally called as a pistil. अभी आप, ओके, अभी आपने पार्ट्स ऑफ फ्लावर में आपको मैंने फ्लावर दिखाया और मैंने उसको ऑपरेशन करके उसके सारे पार्ट्स की डिफरेंशिएशन करवाया, उसका सभी पार्ट्स के नाम बताया. अभी मैं आपको एक एक क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा. These are the parts of the flower. But now I will ask the question. Where you ask the name of that person.
Why are you worried? She said, today I went to a neighbor's house and I saw that they were very happy. I want to know today they are going to see this book. Now I am going to show you more books. Which books we will be reading in our library. We have various books like dictionaries, medical and Chandranath Niti, Unnati. This all are various books. These are all books for children. Next time we will be reading in the English section. Now we are going to read Hindi section. Every period we will be going through this paper. We have different books on Wimpy Kids. These are Wimpy Kids. These are the stories. My teen coloring book. These are the Hindi books like Gora, written by Rabindranath Tagore, Gitanjali by Rabindranath. आप लोगों को सबको पता है कि हम लोगों ने JND वलसाड लाइब्रेरी बनाई हुई है, तो उसको कैसे आप एक्सेस करोगे वो मैं आपको बताती हूँ. उसके लिए आपको सबसे पहले क्या करना पड़ेगा, गूगल में जाना पड़ेगा. गूगल में जाकर आप लोग उसमें JND वलसाड लाइब्रेरी टाइप करना, सर्च करना. जैसे ही आप सर्च करोगे तो वहां पे लिंक ओपन होगा. लिंक ओपन होगा तो वहां पे आप लिखोगे www.jndvalsadlibrary.in. फिर उसमें आपको वेरियस एक्टिविटीज उसमें देखेगा. हम लोग उसमें ई बुक्स है, सैम्पल पेपर्स है, NCERT बुक्स है, स्टोरी बुक्स भी मैंने आप लोगों के लिए डाली हुई है. तो आप लोग को उसमें से आप पढ़ सकते हो और उसको अपडेशन डेली हम करते हैं. तो आप लोग डेली विजिट करो अपनी स्कूल लाइब्रेरी. That will be very helpful to you. Thank you and have a nice day.
कितने चित्र बनाए? अभी तक हमने जो जो चित्र बनाए हैं वो आप सबको पता है. हमने कुदरती दृश्य बनाया, हमने अक्षर लेखन बनाया, हमने फ्रेम डिजाइन बनाया, हमने स्टील लाइफ बनाया. आज हम मानव फिगर के बारे में आपको थोड़ा पहले समझा देते हैं. अभी तक जितने भी चित्र बनाए हैं आप सबने तैयार कर दिए होंगे. आप मुझे भेजते भी रहते हैं व्हाट्सएप पे और मैं उसको अपने ग्रुप में रखता हूँ. मानव फिगर आप सबको सीखने की बहुत इच्छा होगी, कैसे बनते होंगे. हमेशा मानव फिगर के अंदर बनाने के लिए उसमें जो इम्पोर्टेंट चीज है वो उसका मेजरमेंट. मानव फिगर के अंदर मेजरमेंट क्या होता है, उसकी आंख के अंदर गैप, आंख और नाक की गैप, होठों की गैप, दो कानों के बीच की गैप.
तो हम पहले वो सीखना पड़ेगा। मानव फिगर के लिए हमें पहले वो सीखना पड़ेगा, आंख कैसे बनती है, नाक कैसे बनता है। पहले हमें आंख, नाक, कान, होठ, हाथ, पैर, वो सारी चीजें हमें सीखने की जरूरत पड़ती है। मानव फिगर ऐसे नहीं बनता है। मानव फिगर के लिए हमें पहले वो सारी चीज सीखनी पड़ती है।
पढ़ रहे हैं अभी क्लास में, लेकिन तुम लोगों को मैंने एथलेटिक्स के बहुत सारे गेम बताए हैं। शॉर्टपुट बताया, जेवलिन बताया और डिस्कस बताया। उसमें ये शॉर्टपुट आता है। शॉर्टपुट में तुम लोगों ने मुझे पूछा था कि शॉर्टपुट मैडम कैसे होता है, तो शॉर्टपुट ये लोहे का होता है। ये पूरा लोहे का भरा हुआ वजन होता है। इसका वजन होता है 4 केजी, लेकिन जेंट्स में ये 5 केजी का होता है और महिलाओं में ये 4 केजी का होता है और ये जूनियर में होता है 3 केजी का। ये 3 केजी का जूनियर के लिए होता है। ये सिर्फ 8, 6, 7, 8 के बच्चे इसको यूज करते हैं। इसको फेंकने के लिए सर्कल बनाया जाता है, सर्कल के लिए फेंका जाता है। और ये चेस है। चेस तो तुम लोगों को सब पता ही है, तो खेलते हैं। चेस तुम लोग देखे ना कितने होते हैं, ये देखो चेस के स्क्वायर सब लोग को पता है 24 होते हैं। यहाँ पे हम ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट होते हैं, कभी कभी येलो कलर का मतलब पीला कलर, एक ब्लैक कलर होता है। ये 24 खड़े होते हैं, उसमें से ये सभी चेस के नाम पता है। ये क्या क्या होता है, अलग अलग नाम से बोला जाता है। हिंदी में, मराठी में, इंग्लिश में अलग अलग नाम होते हैं।
Can be verified by using the simple method. So this is a right angle triangle. If we put a square on the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle and these 2 squares on the another side of the triangle, another 2 sides of the triangle, then we can verify that the total number of squares drawn on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares drawn on the other 2 sides of the square. So in this way, very simple way, we can use this Pythagoras theorem.
Photosynthesis. So it's very important part of the flower that it is green color, so it helps in photosynthesis. Second thing, it protects the flower. It protects the flower when it is in the bud condition. Okay, bachcho? Now we come to the next part of the flower, that is which is the colored part. This is colored part. See, which one is? It is colored part. Okay, this is colored part. Colored part of the flower. This colored part of the flower is called petal. What is called? Petals. Here 5 petals are. How many petals? 5 petals. Different flowers have different petals. है ना? Rose flowers have so many petals. Marigold flowers have so many petals. You know? So we took this flower, red color, that is hibiscus flower. It has 5 petals. It is red in color. Hibiscus flowers are red, pink, white, orange. Different types of the hibiscus flowers are there in our school campus. In our school campus are different types of the